Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about the virtual activity we're going to be doing in class today. So this is an assignment to kind of replace like a paper manipulating or like grouping activity that I would typically do, but still give you that ability to group either pictures or words associated with one of the four groups of biological macromolecules. We're talking lipids, nucleic acids, proteins, and carbohydrates. So, in the first part of this, what you're going to do is look at each of the groups of biological macromolecules. So, here we have proteins, carbohydrates, nucleic acids, and lipids. And going across, you're going to indicate whether, for instance, proteins contain carbon. If you believe they do contain carbon, put a plus sign. If you believe proteins do not contain carbon, put a minus sign. You'll do that for hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and phosphorus. And you may use any of your resources to help you with this slide. In the next slide, this kind of explains that you're going to be sorting. So you're going to have some slides that contain different images here, and you're going to click on the image, and when it gets highlighted, you can actually drag it and move it around. So clicking on it, it'll highlight all in blue, and then you can slide it around. You're going to group all of these pictures into proteins, carbohydrates, nucleic acids, or lipids. You're going to do the same thing with these terms. Now, just a heads up with moving the terms around, you have to kind of get close to the edge, and then you can slide it around to highlight it. When it highlights all in blue, that means that you can move it around, and it'll be indicated by that little, it's kind of like 4 arrows, one going up, one going down, one going left, one going right, and then you can slide and move the terms around: proteins, carbohydrates, nucleic acids, and lipids once again. In the last 2 slides, this slide focuses on nucleic acids, and the last slide focuses on lipids. You will use the information in this picture and indicate based on the picture which letter A, B, C, D, or E represents a 5-carbon sugar, phosphate group, nitrogenous or nitrogen-containing base, and then which letter represents an entire nucleotide. In this last slide on lipids, you'll answer this question, and then you're going to move these terms to label the parts of this triglyceride. So you're going to pick out the glycerol, the fatty acids, hint, 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 there are 3 fatty acids. Which area of the triglyceride is polar, and which area of the triglyceride is nonpolar? And that is a review